All right, let's cut right to it. If you want the absolute simplest, no fluff path to starting an AI side hustle, you are in exactly the right place. In the next few minutes, we're going to slice through all the noise and give you a real actionable plan.
I bet this sounds familiar, right? It's midnight, you're 47 tabs deep, comparing drop shipping with Amazon FBA. You're basically just drowning in information. You're learning a ton, sure, but you haven't made a single dollar. You're just stuck.
Okay, so do me a favor. Right now, close all those other tabs. Seriously, for the next few minutes, just focus here. Because we're not going to add to your research pile, we are going to build an actual plan.
So here's the game plan. First, I'm going to show you the only 2 ways you really need to think about making money online. Then, how one single product can pay you from 4 different places. We'll cover the #1 mistake that will absolutely guarantee you fail. And finally, we'll wrap up with your 7-day launch plan so you can start this week. Ready? Let's do this.
Let's talk about the side hustle trap. You know, the biggest trap isn't picking the wrong idea. It's that feeling that you have to research absolutely everything before you can even start. And that, my friend, is what keeps you stuck.
But here's the thing. Making money online is way simpler than most people make it out to be. Just forget all the noise for a second. Crypto, day trading, all that complicated stuff. For a beginner, it really just boils down to 2 things. That's it.
Yep, just 2 simple paths. Think of these as the foundation for pretty much every successful online business out there. And you want to know the best part? You can start either one of them today, like right now, with no money and 0 followers.
Okay, path number 1, you sell something. We're talking about digital products that you create. And path number 2, you recommend something. That's affiliate marketing. You don't make the thing, you just point people to it and get a cut. That's it. It's either sell or recommend. Simple, right?
So what the heck is a digital product? It's just a file. That's it. Something someone pays to download. Think planners, journals, ebooks, templates. You get the idea. And the magic of it? You create it one time, and you can sell it forever. No inventory, no shipping, just pure passive income potential.
And listen, this isn't just some theory. The person who came up with this method, they made over 37,000 sales doing this exact thing. And now, with AI, creating these products is just ridiculously fast. Seriously, what used to take weeks of work, you can knock it out in a couple of hours.
All right, let's talk about that second path, affiliate marketing. This is kind of like the easy button. If you don't want to create anything at all, this is for you. You just recommend stuff you already use and like, someone clicks your special link and buys it, boom, you get a commission. No dealing with customers, no shipping, 0 hassle. Okay, now this is where things get really interesting. What if we combine these 2 ideas? What if you could take like one afternoon of work and turn that into 4 separate paychecks coming in every month?
The secret isn't working harder or making more stuff. It's about being smart with where you put it. You take the one thing you already made and you just put it in all the places where buyers are already hanging out.
Okay, let's make this super practical. Imagine you use AI to design a cool 90-day workout journal, all right? Paycheck number 1, you upload it to Amazon KDP. They'll actually print it as a real book and ship it for you. Paycheck number 2, you list that same file on Etsy as a printable PDF. Totally different customer. Paycheck number 3, you take that awesome cover design you made and you slap it on t-shirts and mugs using a print-on-demand site. See that? 3 income streams from one single asset. And we haven't even gotten to the 4th one yet.
Okay, this all sounds awesome, right? Super simple. But there is one piece of this puzzle that almost every single beginner skips. And I'm not kidding, this is the #1 reason people fail before they even get going.
So they do all the work, they create the product, they list it online, and then just crickets, silence, nothing happens. So why? It's not because their product sucks.
It's because they built the product before they built the audience. They hide away for weeks perfecting this thing, but they don't tell a single soul about it. Look, without an audience, you've got no one to sell to. It's like building the most amazing store in the world, but in the middle of the desert. No one's going to find it. This is the big mindset shift you need to make. You have got to build your audience while you're building your product, not after. Start talking about it now. Share the process, share your ideas, share what you're learning. Start today. And look, you don't have to be everywhere. Just pick one place to start. YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, a blog, whatever. Places like YouTube and TikTok are amazing because people are searching for stuff there, which means your content can keep bringing in sales for months, even years.
The key is just pick one and start posting today.
Okay, enough talk. Let's get down to business. Here is your dead simple plan to get this whole thing launched this week. No more excuses, let's go.
5 simple steps. That's all it takes. Step 1, pick an interest. Anything. Don't overthink it. 2, use AI to whip up a simple digital product for it, like a checklist or a short guide. 3, pop a few relevant affiliate links inside for tools you mentioned. That's your 4th income stream, by the way. 4, upload it to a super easy platform like Gumroad or KDP. And 5, the second it's live, start making content about it on that one platform you picked. That's it.
And here's your toolkit to make it all happen, super fast. For writing, just use ChatGPT or Claude. For design, Canva is your absolute best friend. For making cool-looking product images, check out Placeit or Canva's mockups. And for selling, start simple with Gumroad for digital stuff, or use Amazon KDP if you want to sell it as a physical book.
Listen, if you remember just one thing from all this, make it this. The secret isn't finding the one perfect idea. That doesn't exist. The secret is just picking one idea and starting. The person who wins is the person who actually starts building. Action beats analysis every single time.
So, the only question left is the one for you. What are you going to build first? Don't wait. The perfect moment is a myth. Start this week. Heck, start today.